Stellar, XLM, is making big moves in DeFi lately, and this video can easily crypto investors and DeFi enthusiasts. While most DeFi projects are trying to replace traditional finance, Stellar is doing something different. It's bridging the two worlds. In this video, we'll explore how Stellar is transforming finance with new DeFi tools like AMMs, lending protocols, and real-world asset integrations. What makes Stellar unique? Stellar isn't new. It was built for payments and financial access from the start. What's changing now is how DeFi is being integrated directly into the Stellar ecosystem, creating real bridges between banks, fintechs, and crypto. Focused on cross-border payments and real-world finance low fees, plus fast settlement, backed by major partnerships, MoneyGram, Circle, etc. AMMs, automated market makers, on Stellar now supports AMMs, decentralized liquidity pools, where users can earn yield by providing liquidity. Unlike Ethereum-based DEXs, Stellar's AMMs are fast, low cost, and built directly into the protocol. That means simpler access, fewer smart contract risks, and seamless swaps right on the Stellar network. Lending and DeFi expansion. Stellar is also expanding into lending and borrowing, allowing users to use their crypto as collateral for loans or earn interest by lending assets. Combined with USDC and other stable assets on Stellar, this gives people access to decentralized banking tools without needing a middleman real-world use in traditional finance integration. Here's where Stellar really stands out. It's not just DeFi for crypto users. It's DeFi that's working with traditional finance, helping banks and fintechs move money faster, cheaper, and globally. It's DeFi meeting the real world with new tools, growing liquidity, and institutional adoption. Stellar could become one of the top hybrid DeFi platforms, connecting legacy finance to blockchain.